Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to change your Snapchat profile picture. Updating your profile picture is a great way to express yourself and keep your profile fresh. Whether you want to showcase a new look or simply change things up, it's a quick and easy process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat. First, launch the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap your profile picture at the top left. This takes you to your profile page, where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Tap on Public Profile. If you have a public profile set up, you'll see this option. If not, you may need to create one first. Step 4. Tap the gear icon at the top right. This icon represents your settings, where you can make changes to your profile. Step 5. Tap Edit Profile. Here you'll find options to update your profile information, including your picture. Step 6. Tap on your profile picture, or Bitmoji, which has the camera icon overlay. This action will allow you to choose a new image. Step 7. Select a photo from the gallery. Browse through your gallery to pick the perfect photo you want to use as your new profile picture. Step 8. Tap Save Changes. Once you're satisfied with your selection, make sure to save the changes to update your profile picture. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Snapchat profile picture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips and tricks.